Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 12th, 2022. Let's talk about Chainlink today. We want to know, has the market hit a buying opportunity for this cryptocurrency? Now, before I break that down, before I go over my last video that I've done for Chainlink, if you all appreciate this type of content, make sure you join in, hit the community, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Also, share the video if you guys want to, because I want to show everyone, as many people as possible, that you can do this without the confusion. So make sure you all come through and make sure you tap in and keep it locked in here, because we get in position to make sure we're able to win and dominate within the cryptocurrency space. I mean, check it out. I did a video in Chainlink on December the 28th, 2021 right here. Yes, right here. You guys can still see it. It is still here on my chart. I was playing the strength into the market in Chainlink, and that is precisely what the market did. We was already in position to expect the price in Chainlink to hit $26. So you guys can see right here on January the 5th is when the market came in and grabbed that ultimate TP price of around 17.34%. Simple. Done. Because not only did we forecast that the price was going to hit $26, it didn't go that high from what I expected to 28. And then since then, look what happened to the price. Yeah, price has been coming down. This is how you can try not to overstay your welcome. Don't overextend yourself into thinking that a market is monumentally bullish when it really wasn't. I just told you that $26 was the location that I was looking for the selling to occur, and that is close to the location to where it started. I had 26, market ultimately went to around 28. Right? Pretty good call right there. Let me go ahead and get rid of that. And now we need to try to see whether or not Chainlink is a buy. Have we hit a buy zone? What do you think? Let me zoom out this chart because I want to show you where the price is in relation to the overall trend of the market, right? I want you all to see this. Now, what do you think? You guys can see that the overall price movement in Chainlink was seeing price uphold this overall ascending line. I mean, this trend started all the way back since March of 2020. Here we are, almost 2 years in, and the market has now broken that trend. You got to learn how to pay attention to the charts. That's the only thing you need to focus in on, because the market is telling you that the dynamics has changed. When the market in Chainlink was trading around $52 back here in May 2021, it's shown you how bullish the market was. I mean, we was massively overextended in the market in Chainlink. I mean, look how far away we were from the overall trend that started back in March of 2020. We're around 76% overextended from where we needed to see the price trade for us to be comfortable and knowing that the market's going to continue to go up. 76%. Now you guys can see that we came back down to a more realistic price arena, but we broke the trend. So automatically the chart is telling us that this market in Chainlink is still weak. I'm not here to persuade you. We all can visually see from the chart that Chainlink has broken the trend, and when it breaks trend, we need to pay attention. So no way should we be thinking that the market in Chainlink is now a buy. Not at all. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. Let me get rid of this line up here because the market in Chainlink is nowhere near $35. So let's get rid of it. And now let's try to figure some things out. I mean, if the market is not bullish, then that's fine. We understand. We're not going to be tricked into thinking that the market is bullish in Chainlink. If it's not bullish, then either it's going to maintain some sideways trading, or the market price in Chain is going to continue to go down. Those are our next two options that we can see price move, since we eliminated the prospect of seeing Chainlink go up. Okay, so let's go ahead and see which one seems more applicable as of this moment. Now you guys can see this. This is where the market in Chainlink is willing to hold support, right? So if we're not expecting the market to keep in line with this overall trend in Chainlink, if we're not looking for the market to continue to hold this trend, then we need to think of the next level. We need to think of the next location that we can see market buying. So let's go ahead and get rid of this line here, and let's zoom in, because this is the area right now, right here around $16 or 15. We need to see the market in Chainlink come through and maintain this level. Now it may be 15, it might even be down here around $13.25, right? but it's around that vicinity that we need to see buyers approach the market and buy up this currency. Because if it doesn't, we already know we're in a downtrend, so we won't be surprised to think that, well, I thought the market was going to go up. No, we already know that the overall environment of Chainlink is one of weakness. That is the general broad sense of everyone who is involved into the market in Chainlink. So currently, yeah, the market here is weak. And another thing that kind of confirms that the market is weak in Chainlink is the fact that the market on this last movement higher wasn't able to break above $20. You guys can see it right here. The market in Chainlink could not break above this $20 threshold, which was acting as restriction even back in August of 2020. So I'm showing you points on the chart that lets us know where the market has attempted to go up and it failed. I'm showing you points on the chart to let you know where buyers need to uphold price in Chainlink. But so far, what do you think? Do you think the market's going to have enough momentum to keep price above $13.25? Do you still think the buyers are here? Because if so, then you already know that we're going to maintain this level as support and the market's going to continue to be elevated and continue to move up from there. Look at Chainlink on the weekly. What do you all think right now? We got a day and 8 hours left right here, okay, to see some strength coming to the market in Chainlink, because the last 2 weeks was very good to see the buyers. The buyers did come through the last 2 weeks, this week and then last week. But right now they're not winning. The sellers are dominating the market in Chainlink, all because of its inability, talking about the buyers, they couldn't break price above 20. So let's go ahead and check something else out. Look at this on the 2 weeks. Now, this is the 2 weeks time frame here into the market in Chainlink. What do you all think? Do you think the market is massively weak or just slightly weak? Do you think the market is getting bullish, or do you think there's no bullishness at all? Do you think there's no buyers even in this space right now in Chainlink? Let's see this on the 3-day. So we're starting out on a new 3-day price bar, which is right here. Okay, you guys can see it. But the last one lets us know that the sellers won, right? It tells us that the sellers came through into the market in Chainlink and is obviously trying to continue to push down this price. But take a look. It's not that weak. Look at this on the 11 hour. The market is trying to find the buyers still. The market buyers are still trying to approach Chainlink right now. What do you think now? We can see this from this round. 2-day time frame. Now, from a long-term perspective, I'm leaning more towards the market and Chainlink still being weak. I mean, we've seen the market break that ascending line. We've seen the market get rejected at $20. We're also seeing weakness on the daily time frames to where the market went down. But let me put that into perspective. I'm not saying that the market in Chainlink is going to break below $13 though. That is still a probable area that we can still see buyers approach the market to keep Chainlink's price elevated. Now, there's also the chance that the market will break it, right? Yes, we can still see price in Chainlink break the trend, right? So let's show you this. So the market in Chainlink could not break above 20, right? We saw that. We need to maintain the bearishness into the market in Chainlink at least until we're able to see the market break above $20.85, $21. We'll keep it there. Now we got two areas that the buyers can still approach the market in Chainlink. The first area is right there around 15. I still see that the market has a chance to come through and prop up the price in Chainlink right there. Now, that's only 7.25% profitability though to see the market go down. The next level is here around $13.50, around 16.88% movement to the downside from where the price is right now in Chainlink. Now, ultimately, we have this area right here. Let me show it to you to where this market has seen some consolidational trading. All right. You guys can see this. Now, the next level that we can see the market in Chainlink come all the way down towards It's going to be here around 10. I would say $12 to $10 would be the next level. So let me run this down to 12. Okay. That's going to be the next level that we can see the market possibly see some buying come through. $12. But the biggest error that I'm seeing is 10. Yeah, $10. Can you imagine seeing the price in Chainlink come all the way down to 10 bucks? We saw the market trade just last year in May, 53, all the way to come down to 10. I'm not going to put that on the chart right now, but let me just put that on your purview. I want you all to think about that though. I'm going to bring it up here to 12. Okay. So now I have given you all 3 price targets to which we can see the buyers approach the market in Chainlink. First level, 15, right? Second level, 13. Third level is around 12. And that's it. So let's pay attention to see what the market does over the next couple of days. I have dropped my price prediction here. You guys can see it. Now I got the comment section open. I want you all to drop me your price prediction. You know, make it public. Don't be afraid. Show everyone where you think the market price in Chainlink is going to go. There's no right or wrong answers. We're just simply here predicting and forecasting where the price is going to go. So give it a try. Let me know. You guys see my thoughts. You guys see what I think the market is going to do in Chainlink. So now I want you all to tell me what you think. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.